Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone 14 by using the settings option on the phone. This is easy to do. So just locate settings. Then we want to scroll on down and locate general. So here's general. Then scroll on down under general and go to shut off. And then you can turn off your phone by sliding this to the right and your phone will be shut off. Another way to do it is if you press the volume up button or the volume down button and then hold down a power button at the same time, it'll present you those same options. So let's just do volume down and then the power button, press them down at the same time. And we have the option to slide this to powered off. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.